Hey guys, welcome back to BWG. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your Bose QC25 ear cups. So we've got these new scrims here. Scrims are the things that protect your inner electronics from any dust, dandruff, any other things in your hair, including your hair obviously. So we'll be replacing these ear cups. So first what you need to do is put your thumb underneath the ear cup and then it should click off like that. Do the same for this one. These are the new ones, of course, that I've got from Banggood. They're $8 and they're really good. They've lasted longer than the original Bose ear cups. So as you can see, here are the scrims that have been worn out for 3 years from the original Bose ear cups. So just remove them. There are 2 adhesion points, as you can see. And remove these ones as well. I've removed the paper off these. So align this with the one you want to put on first. So obviously the one on this will be like this. So put this scrim in place and attach the adhesive and secure the adhesive in place. And it'll do its magic. Do the same for this one here. Put it like that. Now you have 2 of the scrims in place. Now put your cups on. So first what you need to do is align it. Then all these connection points you should hear a click on. So just align it, 1 click, another click. Keep on going until you see and hear that all the clicks have been put in place. Some of them you may not be able to hear, but you'll be able to see that it has gone under the clicking place. Like that one. So now one is secured, now we should do the other one. Align it again. So, gotta just align it first. Click 1, click 2, or go to the other side, push it in like that. Click 1, click 2, click 3, and then keep on going as such. And you can see that all the clicks have been put in place. This one's the last one, I believe. So you can see all the clicks have been put into place. Now you're able to use your Bose headphones again with great ear pads and comfortability. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks.